Hey all, I'm back as promised. I wanted to just show you how the punches sound in some kind of contextual setting. I've just used the punches in the previous video, so you can check that out if you want to see how they're made. Let's have a look at the clip for context. We'll watch it twice and then we'll chat about it. So, clip of What Becomes of the Brokenhearted. Love that fight scene. Quite violent, but you know, it's a pretty realistic depiction of real world violence. Okay, so the punches I made are obviously from my previous video, and I altered the pitch just a wee bit, mainly when Jake the Muss is kicking people. I have the kicks a little bit lower and a little bit lower in pitch as well, because I don't want them quite as present, because when you hit someone in the face, you want that kind of more present hit to sell the violence and immerse your audience in the sound. On top of those punches, here I've just put in a few whooshes done from a bamboo cane. No real processing. Might have taken some of the low end out. Here, these are just crunch layers. If you listen carefully, you'll probably have heard on some of the main punches I added a little Foley crunch, layered them up a wee bit. Yeah, just to give that emphasis of how nasty these punches are. Obviously, I wouldn't put in a crunch all the time. It's just where the violence needs a bit of an accent. Finally, I put in just a couple of rather incongruent ambiences from a restaurant bar, mainly to just basically, I know it doesn't really match the bar and the whole tone would change as soon as there's a fight, but I just wanted the punches not in dead air, just to give a little bit of ambience, to give them a bit of placement. I probably should have put a little bit of reverb on, but that's really what I wanted to show you, just those samples being used in some kind of fight scene. I wasn't trying to go the Mortal Kombat route, you know. If I was, I would have probably made them even more crunchier, added a bit more distortion, etc. I haven't made them very varied because really it was just to demonstrate the tutorial, but if I was doing a fight scene like that, I would probably make quite a few more punches and I would vary them as well, because I don't want each punch sounding too similar but not the same, if you will, especially depending on where you're going to hit someone. So in the face it'll be different, in the groin it'll be different, in the body slightly different again because of clothing and bones and anatomy, etc. The face always deserves the most attention. So yeah, that's it for now. If you have any comments or questions, I hope it gives you a bit of an insight as to how we can use the samples that we made earlier. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. That'd be great. Thanks for joining me. Take care.